Alright, here's the very last fan I have to test from Adam. It's old school 4-blade Coastal Breeze. Let's get started with low. High, medium, low. Very nice fan, very good condition. Low speed. Going at a medium. Medium speed. Is that medium? Oh. That was medium, so here's high. Speed moves a very good amount of air. Silent. And it does have its canopy up there. Let's go ahead and just spin down. This fan is also already sold. Works great and is perfectly balanced. The bearings are good. Everything about the sound's alright. The finish is a little scratchy in certain places, but I'm sure a little bit of polishing and stuff can make that look good as new. This is the last one I have to test. That's from Adams. I've gone through quite a lot of fans, about 38 fans in a few days, so it's not. Sorry about the YouTube viewers, ran out of memory. Continuing from about where we left off in the spin down. It's getting cool. I got both the 5-blade and a 4-blade version. This is the older version. 5-blade's the newer version that was sold exclusively through Home Depot. Really good spin down. It's getting dark out. Sheesh, almost 9 o'clock. I need to start packing stuff up and getting ready to go actually eat something. Oops. I haven't eaten dinner all day yet. I've been sitting home to take a shower from work and then I start working on these fans. Anytime the thing wants to stop. So yeah, I think the bearings are good in this fan. We'll probably start from halfway through spin down and it's still going. It's about 2 minutes so far. Come on, stop already. I want to go inside. I want to go back in AC. Sheesh, this thing's still going. There we go, finally stopped. Thanks for watching.